Some scary moments for one man after a car came crashing through his living room this morning.
That crash happened just after 4 a.m. The driver is now facing DUI charges. News Channel 8's JAMEL is joining us live from Holiday in Pasco County, where those repairs are going to begin shortly.
Well, you go ahead and just take a look at this damage right here behind me. Phil Ferrento, the man that lives here, is hoping to get the home boarded up. Now, he said it sounded like a bomb went off this morning. Florida Highway Patrol say this man, Derek Zio, plowed through the front of this home on Bartelt Road early this morning.
It was about 4 o'clock in the morning, and I heard it sounded like an explosion.
Phil Ferrento was sleeping in the back bedroom.
And at first I thought they hit my truck. But when I started to walk out of the bedroom, I saw headlights in my dining room.
Ferrento walked in the front room to find a big gaping hole and cinder blocks everywhere. He says Zio tried to make a deal.
And I walked out through the garage, and he came up on me, and he's like, I'll give you $5,000. I'll give you $7,000 right now. And I had the gun pointing at his chest, and I said, I already called the police.
Ferranto's first thought was his cats.
I got 2 cats, and one of them sometimes sleeps on a dining room chair right here, which is now covered with cinder block.
He says this isn't the first time someone has crashed into the home.
I found out that before I started renting this house back in 2013, somebody had already crashed through.
He says it could have been much worse.
Again, because it's just a dangerous street, and people, it's at 30 miles an hour, and people constantly do 50 and 60. And this guy must have been doing way more than that.
Now, Zio was picked up and arrested a short time later by the Pasco County Sheriff's Office. He's charged with DUI, reckless driving, leaving the scene of a crash, and he's also facing some drug charges. In Pasco County, JAMEL, News Channel 8.